Hey guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Scubapro 30 kilogram lift bag. So this is a decent size, sort of a little bit more compact lift bag compared to its bigger brother, the 50. As you can see, it's bright white in coloration, so it's really easy to see in the water and on the surface. The material itself is a really double tough sort of tarpaulin material, real abrasion resistant, very, very strong and resilient. All of the seams have been heat welded. As you can see, real big sort of welds on that, really sort of strong and sort of compressed. So they're not going to give up anytime soon. Traditional bell shape, as you can see, and you have a dump valve right at the top. It's kind of double screw, so you can screw the bottom section in and that will still vent gas, but then if you screw the top in, that creates a real plug. More for really at the end of the dive, or if you really want to sink something. I probably wouldn't use it too much for fine control of buoyancy sort of coming up. So just make sure that your buoyancy sort of in the bag is sort of on point, and what you want to go up is definitely going to go up. Decent opening down at the bottom. You have a real large amount of space inside of that to get an octo or any kind of airline into that to fill it up. 4 points of contact with these stainless steel D-rings and a single piece of sort of woven nylon cord to attach onto things. So you can either use it sort of like this, where you have 4 points of contact. It comes with this stainless steel shackle, a little small for my liking, but you can fit a large one if you want. If you undo that, take that off, then you can just use 2 sort of points of contact if you want a slightly longer sort of line separated from the item. Depends what you're lifting. It's completely up to you, but very, very strong, resilient. 30 kilograms of lift, that's what, 66 pounds. So you're lifting sort of a fair amount of weight inside of that. But if you're lifting something larger, you can use 2 of them and double it up, or 3, get a bit more sort of stability. Completely up to you depending on what you're using. But yeah, it's a decent lift bag, strong resilience, and that sort of bell shape just means that it always stays nice and upright, especially when it's on the surface. And this is the Scubapro 30 kilogram lift bag. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.